Hey guys, Asu Panda back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So it's Christmas Eve. As you can see, our humble Christmas tree in the background, and crafty wifey is preparing for some veggies, and then I'm going to do a rotisserie chicken. Oh wow,
Let's try something.
nice, nice. All the veggies chopped.
How do you want the carrots? Lamba lamba, round round. Merry Christmas. Carrots. You
Yeah,
want
though
the
that
round?
is okay. The rounds are okay.
This size older.
Yeah, yeah. Big knife, dangerous knife.
Feel the bass, let it move your feet. In the dark room, where the beats are deep. Dance till dawn, we're gonna get so
Oh, that and that is our naughty Santa. Unwind wine, non-alcoholic.
My favorite. My favorite.
You also try?
feel the bass, let it move your feet. In the dark room, where the beats are deep. Dance till dawn, we're gonna get so high. In the house of dreams, we own the night. Feel the bass, let it move your feet. In the dark room, where the beats are deep. Dance till dawn, we're gonna get so high. In the house of dreams, we own.
Thank you.
crafty wifey. Serve yourself. You just pass her the sauces. Yeah. This is a peri peri one, and that is the barbecue sauce. Not homemade this year, but we'll try next year. Let's hope. It's gonna be hot, but let's.
Muja. Thank you.
You're most welcome. Merry Christmas.
Thank you for making my Merry Christmas a very Merry Christmas.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I hope it is a time to spread joy. So spread joy, enjoy eating with your family, celebrating with your family. Very Merry Christmas to you as well. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Please do subscribe. Until next time, Oshi Kimti Tawa.